If you want to learn how to import files on CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps to bring your files into CapCut on PC so you can start editing right away. Whether you're importing videos, images, or audio, this is one of the first things you need to know before you can build your project. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut is open, click on New Project. This will create a fresh editing workspace where you can begin adding your media. After that, look at the top menu and click on Media. This is where CapCut keeps your imported files and project assets. Now, inside the Media section, you'll see the plus Import button. Go ahead and click that button to open your file browser. At this point, you can browse through your computer and select the files you want to use in your project. You can choose one file or multiple files depending on what you need for your edit. Once you've selected your files, click Open. CapCut will then import the files into your media library and they'll be ready for you to drag into the timeline and start editing. That's really all there is to it. In just a few simple clicks, you've learned how to import files on CapCut and get your project set up properly. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.